because it's fun. It's fun to save money. Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, a lifestyle, a little bit of fragrance. So if you like that kind of stuff, why haven't you gotten on the bus yet? From now on, I'm leaving you. If you don't get on now, I'm leaving you. Okay, kitties, so welcome to the first episode of You Let the Internet Bully You Into Thinking You Needed to Pay More When You Could Have Paid Less. Lip liner edition. If you know me, lip liners and eyebrow products, like I just cannot spend too much money on, and I refuse to, especially when there's so many good products out there. And because lip liners and lip glosses, like lip products aren't my thing, like complexion products, I would spend a pretty penny on complexion products, but lip things, it's like, do I really even need a lip liner that's $25, $30, $32? I don't. And the internet will not bully me into thinking that I do. All right, so I have my top 4 lip liners that are affordable. The formula is creamy, they're long lasting, and we're gonna get right into it and make this quick. But we're gonna start off with, and this is no particular order as far as the quality of them, I'm just gonna pick them up at random. First, we're gonna start with the Sephora's Molasses. I cannot tell you how long I've been trying to get my hand on this. For some reason, it's always sold out. Well, it's not for some reason, for good reason. For good reasons, it's always sold out because this is a damn good lip liner and the color is perfection. The formula, top tier, baby. I was on Sephora minding my business when I wasn't even looking for this, and I found it, and I found it on sale. Please, I'm going to swatch it so you guys can see. It's a nice deep brown shade that is perfect for dark skin, perfect for deep dark skin, and I love it. I'm going to swatch it here, and it's so smooth. It's their gel, what's it called? The Rouge Gel Lip Liner, and this is the color Molasses. Do you see how rich that is? Perfect. I'm going to show you on my lips. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick little combo. This isn't really about the combos, it's more so to show you the formula and how it looks with other lip products, but yeah. And really focus on how smooth these are applying, because that is the selling point for me. So we have Molasses applied. I'm just gonna pop a lip gloss on. This is by e.l.f. It's the Sun Boss Gloss with the SPF 25 in Pink Meat Girl. So we're gonna do a nude pink combo. Now this is a more sticky gloss. I'm gonna put a more silky gloss on top of that just to calm down the opaqueness of this one. I'm going to use Fudge Me by NYX Cosmetics, just a little bit. All right, and that is the first combo with the Molasses lip liner. It's good. It is. It's so good. Okay. I mean, it really isn't about the combo. It's more about the lip liner, but the combo. Yeah, the combo's good. All right, so let me go ahead and wipe that off because we have other ones to show you. So mental note, that was Molasses, okay? Do you need that on your list? You probably do. All right, so we wiped that one off. Now we're gonna go for one that is by NYX Cosmetics. NYX has so many lip liners to go for. This is a more simple brown. It's the shade Espresso. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that one on. It's a light brown, very close to my actual skin tone. So I like to fill this one in a little bit more thick and not as defined. All right, so I filled that in with the Espresso, and let me swatch Espresso actually so you can compare it to Molasses to see how much lighter it is. So it's right under Molasses. It's a little lighter. It's a really nice brown. I can fill in my entire lip with this shade too, and it would still look nice even without the lip gloss. So I'm just gonna pop on Let's see, this is by ColourPop, So Juicy. This is in the shade Dough. This is their gloss bombs. Just click it like that. I'm gonna put a little bit in here. That's what I blended it. This is a really cool everyday combo. Perfectly goes in your purse, perfectly. This packaging is perfect for on the go to me, and I love the way it looks. The formula is really nice and minty because it's a plumping gloss, but it doesn't really plump. I can't even lie. It doesn't plump, but I love the formula, I love the smell, and I love how it feels on my lips. But as far as plumping, that's not, yeah, that's a no. But the combo though, another combo that, yeah. I love this. This is really cute. All right, so that was the second affordable option as far as lip liners go. We gotta make it make sense, like make it make sense. Okay, now the next lip liner is the most long-lasting one in the entire group, which is, it's only 4 that I'm showing you. This lasts extremely long, and I love it for that, and it goes on so smooth, and it's, again, the perfect shade of brown for dark skin and deep dark skin tone. So this is a shade, it's by Maybelline, it's their lifter liner. It's in the shade Cross the Line, and I'm gonna put it right below Espresso, which was the light color. And there it is, the last one at the bottom. Very similar to Molasses. It's a little teeny lighter than Molasses, is it? Definitely darker than Espresso in the middle. So let's go ahead and line it. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and just pop on the NYX Cosmetic Fudge Me. Not too much, not too much. Okay, so this is the combo with the NYX Cosmetics Fudge Me and the Maybelline Cross the Line Lip Liner Lifter Gloss that lasts so long through eating, munching, yeah. All right, so let's get this one out of there and get to the next one. Now, the last affordable option that I have, which is another deep brown that goes on so smooth. It's by Morphe Cosmetics. It's in the shade Trendsetter. If you watch my MAC, the new, what is it called? It's the MAC Nudes video, you would have saw that, because this is when I first got it and I was like, maybe I'm loving this. So it's the shade Trendsetter. Oh, let's go ahead and swatch it. So it's gonna be the last one. And that was Trendsetter here. Such beautiful browns. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So smooth. All right, so I'm gonna do 2 glosses. I'm gonna use, this is by Juvia's Place. It's in the shade Kenyan Coffee. It's like a mauve shade, a deep mauve shade. And then I'm going to also mix a little bit of Dough. So that is a really pretty deep nudie mauve shade that I do love as far as this combo goes, but the lip liner is the point. And look how the lip liner just chef's kiss. Now tell me again, why did you buy that lip liner for $25, $30? Because you can? I mean, you can. But do you have to? I don't think you do. Okay, kitty, so that concludes our first episode of You Let the Internet Bully You Into Thinking You Need to Pay More When You Really Didn't. And if you like this idea, you have to talk to me, because if there's other things that we can do this video or make more episodes of, like affordable, well, you know we do affordable fragrances. Like, you know we do that. But I just think it's a cute idea. When I can do it, I will do it, of course, because I do love an affordable option. In this economy, because we already know about eggs, groceries, gas, mortgage, insurance. We already know. We know. I don't have to tell you how much that costs. So if we can find affordable options for the things that we have as far as things like in the beauty space, the fragrance space. Let's do that because it's fun. It's fun to save money. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to thumbs up. Don't forget to talk to me in the comments, because one thing that I don't want is for you to be a ghost. You need to talk to us in the comments. If you're going to sit at this table, you're going to have to talk to us. You're going to have to like the video. You're going to have to come back, watch other videos, do the things, all the things. Bye, guys.